Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. Today is the 2nd of August, 2022. It's a Tuesday, and I'm gonna do a little pre-market watch list and try and gauge some sentiment as to what the market is doing, what it's up to, and how we could plan our trades, right? So, starting off with the US dollar. Right now, the US dollar found a little bit of support right here at, let's see, at 12,832. So that's a level right there to watch. Let's see here. So this is the weekly Camarilla levels. And let's see. We have S3 at 12. Oh man, that's not the one. Hold on. Let's grab the arrow. Right, so S3 is at 12,858. And we're getting the push up from there. So it's what kind of setup is this? This is a lower value setup where previous week S3 was at 12,939. So we have a lower value right there. R3 is now at 12,936. So it's looking like a short play, right? So if anything, we're supposed to, if we get like some bullishness in the US dollar, we're supposed to start getting some rejection around the pivot level and R3, right? So with the excuse me, with the bullishness coming in now, nice volume coming in, and this is horrible for my AUD USD and NCD USD trade. They're really suffering right now, but probably we'll get to these levels and start rejecting right now. So we're at the base of this breakout right here, and we're coming back to this level, and we're starting to get some wick rejection. This is also the anchored VWAP from the beginning of the year. This is the upper VWAP. So this is where the bullishness support is supposed to take place, right? So we're supposed to break back above that and keep pushing higher to remain bullish. Anything under this level right here, we're starting to head towards VWAP, right? So that's the annual anchored VWAP. So that's the VWAP anchored from the beginning of the year, right? So today, this is the 4-hour chart on the US dollar. So today, it's looking bullish. We had this reversal candle right here. We had support coming between S4 and S3. Big push-up candle, peaked above upper VWAP. And we got some support here again, pushing it back up. So is it going to remain bullish in the US session? Not really sure. But we're running into this resistance right here, this breakout level, right? So sellers will be sitting at this level here. So let's see what level is that. And that'll be approximately 12,900, right? That was previous week's S4. So approximately 12,900. It should start getting some resistance, but we'll see. So if it pushes up past that level or it remains bullish, we're gonna look for shorts in the stock market. If it starts breaking down here and going back to S3, we'll be looking for longs, right? So with that said, all right, let's come out of the US dollar. Let's see what else we got. So this is the NQ1 futures, the Nasdaq futures, mini futures. So let's see, let's throw on the weekly Camarillas. All right, so let's see what that is. I think we're in the kill zone where we're in between S1. S1 is at 12,885. S2 is at 12,799.25. So we're basically we're in the kill zone. This is like the middle Camarilla levels, so it doesn't suggest anything like direction wise, you know. This is kind of like a support level before the real support level of S3, which is this red line right here, right? Let's see what level that is. And that's 12713.25, right? So that's the real support level there. Are we gonna push down or are we gonna move up? So let's throw on some daily camera levels and see where we're at. All right, so we're below S3. Let's see here. We have some resistance here. Touched 7 times on the accumulation distribution indicator at around 12876.25. So some resistance right there. And we had some support coming in from this level right here at this was touched 6 times at around 12853.25. So running in support turning into resistance right now as we kind of peak up bullish. We got some volume coming in there as well. Let's see. Yeah, that volume is coming in there, pushing up a little bit, and we're getting this bullish kind of action right here into this support turn resistance level right there. So it depends on the US dollar. Is the US dollar gonna remain bullish? We'll probably run into that support turn resistance and probably push back down to S4. But we gotta see what's going on at the open. Let's see here now. Let's go to what else we have in line here. Right, so the VIX is looking bullish this morning. We're above previous day R6. Is this the new Camarilla levels? Let's see. Yeah, so the VIX kind of opened this morning at 310, right? So these are the Camarilla levels for today. So we're way above R6. So that's suggesting that we might get some push down in the stock market today. We had some resistance here at 24.58 on the VIX. It kind of pushed back down again in the pre-market here. And let's see, maybe we'll get to R6 and get some support right there. And a push up from there would cause the stock market to drop. So that's at 23.88. So let's see, let's set a alert right there. Let's set an alert below the structure right here. And let's set an alert for a breakout of this candle right here. And back to the highs. So that's some good notifications to get. So when I'm in a trade or looking to take a trade, I can see what's going on there if I'm not on the chart. So let's see NZD USD. I have a live trade going on that, but to open my broker it's gonna show everything, so can't do that right now. Don't wanna show everything on YouTube. Let's see. Anyway, that'll be for another video. Let's see where we're at. AUD USD. Right, so let's go to JPM. Alright, let's go to Dash Trader Pro for that so you can see the pre-market. Alright, so this is on my watch list here, JPM. Let's see, we have a 60-minute. Right, so we have a lower value relationship on the Camarilla levels. Let's see here. Previous day S3 is at 114.91. Today's R3 is at 114.71. S3 is at 113.70. So lower value relationship, looking for like a retest of S3 for a short, or maybe a retest of S2 at 113.87. We having a push up right now, so if we do hold above this level on S3 and we get some support, we could get a run up to like 114.71. So depending on how it sets up, how the market is looking, excuse me, we could go either way. So I have two plans on that, mostly looking for a short right here because it's a lower value relationship. That's a big indication right there of some short action coming in. So let's see here. Right, so I have my plan right here. JPM lower value Camarilla setup. S3 113.65 retest for big BS to punks. Papa BS strategy. Possible S2 retest at 113.83 is another retest level if the market pumps at the open. So have some levels set here. That's 113.83 S2 retest for the short. This is also S3 for the short. Papa BS strategy. And let's see, the targets are we could target some of these lows here at 112. Let's see if we have anything else here. We have a low down here at 111.43. So all these are little targets. S6, S5, 112.37. S5 is at 112.60. So all of those are targets for the short, right? All right, so we already back at S3. So let's see what's happening here. Probably some bullish action going on the Qs or the SPY. Yeah, so the SPY had a little push up right there. We're above VWAP, and QQQs is still below VWAP. So let's see, let's move on to something else. So that's one on my watch list. AAL is another one on my watch list. That's a higher value Camarilla setup today. 1390 is a nice level for the bulls to defend as they're in the money from the 26th. The VPOC is at 1346. So let's see, let's go to AAL on DAS. Right, so you can see here previous day R3 is at 1383. S3 was at 1359. Today we have, let's see here, make this bigger. We have S3 at today at 1404. And let's see, where's R3? R3 is all the way up there, man. Damn, okay. R3 is at 1449. Right, so that's R3 right there. It's a higher value relationship, so if the market is bullish, this is definitely a good one to play. Let's see where we would try and enter. Well, I actually said that from the notes. Let's see, let's go back there. So 1390 is a nice level for the bulls to defend. So I have another alert here at 1391 for some support. If it opens and we pull back to that level and we get some support, that's a nice level to go long from, right? We're kind of holding above S3 right now, so well, at S3 exactly, kind of, yeah. We're right there. So if it does get some weakness at the open, retest like, you know, this pre-market low, get some support and get some energy to kind of go up to R3, that'll be the play right there. So that's AAL for the long play. Let's see what else we got. And last one, AMD. So bulls to defend 95 on AMD. If we see support, I'll take the reversal to R3. So support at 95. Let's see what kind of Camarilla level we have on AMD. So we have an overlapping value relationship on the Camarillas. Previous day was 95.67. R3 was 95.67. S3 was 93.34. Today's S3 is 95.57. R3 is at 98. So we're looking for 95 support pre-market low, or even 95.50, 57, somewhere around there for the S3, for the bounce off of S3 to 98, right? So that's if we're bullish in the stock market. So AAL, AMD for the bullishness, and let's see what else we got here. I think I did look at plug, right? Yeah, I think I did. Let's go back to plug. Actually, no. Let's go to plug. All right. So plug has the notorious inside value camera relationship setup. A breakdown of the consolidation could see a run at 19, S4 breakdown at 2073 for the big bears to pounce on the market weakness. 21 S3 retest, also a good short on a market pump at the open. Anything above S3 long to R4, right? So let's see what that's looking like on the chart, right? Let's go to plug. Right, so you can see we have this consolidation here on plug, right? Catching support, hitting resistance as well. So we're just moving sideways, right? So now in the pre-market we actually broke down, but so previous day S3 was 2080. Let's move that up a little bit. 2085, and R3 was at 2180. So if we're breaking out of the consolidation, and today we have an inside value day, so R3 is at 2150, S3 is at 2099. So if we do get this breakout and hold below S3, or get a retest of 21 right here to go short if the market is weak, we could get a nice flush down to like 19, right? And if we do hold above S3, we could get the run up to like above R4, or even try and break out, I guess, to R5, 22. So the inside value day suggests that it's supposed to break out. We're supposed to get like a little kind of a trend away from the consolidation, right? So this is a nice setup. It's consolidating, and we got the inside value day on the camera rollers. So if it does hold below here, the market gets weak at the open, we could see a nice flush down. If we hold above here for support, 21 is a nice level to bounce off of, and go up to like R4. So that's my setups there for today. That's my four stocks on my watch list: JPM, AAL, AMD, and plug. And right now, kind of looking at plug the most. The plug has the nicest setup. I think also, let's see, is it AAL? Plug, and let's see AAL again. Yeah, so this has a higher value relationship. So this is a nice little setup here as well for some bullishness. So let's see which one works out, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, it's King Yadiya, aka King Solomon. This is my pre-market watch list, market sentiment breakdown, a little technical analysis and stuff like that. And y'all trade safe and stay blessed.